Hey, my name's Tim Owens, and I just attended this awesome seminar for the last 4 hours, and I got to tell you that Reb and Katie nailed it. I have a background in TV, and the things that I learned this morning actually brought everything rushing back to me, and all these new techniques and all this ideation that I was able to garner from this seminar was incredible. I'm going to go right away. I have 3 businesses that I run, and we really need to engage, and we really need to get doing video marketing, because now I really see the power of it and the importance of it. So thank you so much, Reb and Katie. And if you don't know who they are, you need to get out there and you need to find them, and you need to come to one of these seminars because you're going to learn a ton.